5 hidden real estate wins and risks in Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill. With all the buzz around the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, many of my clients are wondering, how does this affect real estate? So let's break it down. Number 1, permanent tax cuts. By making the 2017 Trump tax cuts permanent, the bill lowers income tax rates across several brackets. For middle and high-income households, this could translate into more available cash for down payments, renovations, or real estate investing. For investors structured as pass-through entities, LLCs, partnerships, etc., the continued 20% qualified business income deduction also remains intact, making real estate ownership more tax efficient. Number 2, no tax on tips and overtime. So this is a quiet but impactful change. For service industry workers and hourly employees, many of whom are first-time home buyers, not having to pay federal tax on overtime or tips could help them qualify for better loan terms or save more quickly for a down payment. It's not a game changer alone, but combined with local programs and down payment assistance, it can close the gap for renters on the edge of homeownership. Number 3, SALT cap is being raised. If you're in a state like California, New York, New Jersey, this is big. The bill raises the state local tax deduction cap from $10,000 to $40,000 for married couples earning up to $500,000. This means high-income homeowners could deduct more from their federal taxes, making owning large or luxury properties more affordable in net terms. So for sellers, this could increase demand at the higher end of the market, especially in places like South Corona, Orange County, or the Bay Area. What are the investor considerations? For real estate investors, especially those focused on cash flow, the extended tax breaks and SALT cap increase can improve return on investment, particularly for short-term or value-added projects. The bill also continues bonus depreciation, which helps offset passive income and reduce tax liability. However, there's a trade-off. The bill is projected to add $3.8 trillion to the national debt over 10 years. That could trigger inflationary pressure, future interest rate hikes, or policy shifts that may impact 1031 exchanges, depreciation rules, or capital gains down the road. So, translation. Now is the window of opportunity, but smart planning is essential. So let's talk about rental property owners. If you own rental property, the continued tax advantages are good news. But note that the stricter Medicaid and SNAP requirements could impact tenants who rely on those programs. Depending on your tenant base, this might affect payment stability or vacancy risk, particularly in subsidized or low-income markets. Understanding your market's demographics and being proactive with tenant communication and screening will help to protect your investment. So the bottom line, the One Big Beautiful Bill creates an environment where buyers, sellers, and investors all stand to gain, but not equally. While high earners and investors get the biggest breaks, middle-income families benefit real relief too. And for anyone in real estate, timing, strategy, and local market knowledge are more important than ever. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in Southern California, now's the time to sit down, run the numbers, and put a plan in place. Give me a call if you have any questions or you'd like to chat more. And for more videos like this one, be sure to like and subscribe.